In this video, I'm going to show you the exact Halloween strategy that we use for all of our clients that will increase the revenue, but more importantly, the profits without spending more on ads during this Halloween period by sending email campaigns. And in here, you can see one of our early sales that we've done for one of our clients that resulted in more than $4,000+ in revenue. And in this video, I'm going to show you real quick why Halloween is important, the exact for email campaign strategy with different type of offers and the content that you want to place in there that will skyrocket your revenue. And I'm going to show you copy paste Halloween templates that you can use. So basically under 10 minutes, you can send out campaigns that will generate you extra money. Okay, so real quick for the people that don't know me, my name is Dan. I'm already for 5 years in the e-commerce space. The first 3 years I was scaling my own stores, and the last 2 years my team and I were partnering up with qualified e-commerce brands to help scale their revenue and profits by leveraging email and SMS marketing. Okay, so enough about me. Let's talk about Halloween. Okay, so first of all, real quick, why is Halloween so important? So number one is that Halloween is the first big sale in Q4. Okay, so you need to understand that people are ready to buy and that they're ready to spend their money, and you want to have those momentum that they buy on your store during this period. Okay, so it's the first big sale. It's a really good reason to release a good offer that people can buy, because every order that you get in here is without spending on ads and is really profitable. Okay, so number two is worldwide. That means that it doesn't matter where you are selling to which country, Halloween is always on the same day, 31st of October. So you can basically use this strategy that I'm going to show you for your own stores. And the most important one is that it's a perfect reason to test your first Black Friday offers. Okay, so you can test already the waters with, hey, what is an offer that I'm profitable with, that my clients like or my customers likes, that I can also release during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas, etc. Okay, so this is really important why you want to use or sending campaigns during Halloween. So in here, one of our other results that we have for our clients where we did an early Halloween sale, and as you can see, it resulted in a lot of extra revenue. So in here, the timeline, but before I want to show you the timeline, I quickly want to show you the offers. Okay, so what I see most people doing wrong, what you always want to avoid is that you're only going to send out discount percentage. And why is that? Is because what works for them doesn't mean it will work for you. So it's really important that you know what is your profit margins and what is the offer that you can give away. So still one of the best offers is to give a percentage discount, but if you don't have the margins, there are plenty of other good offers that you can use. Okay, so or you can use a discount percentage off, or what you can do is if you have shipping costs, you can highlight a free shipping on every order, or let's say normally it's free shipping over $80, you can say a free shipping over $40. You can do a BOGO offer, buy one get one free. You can also do buy two get one free, right? Everything that fits in your profit margins, because revenue doesn't pay the bills. Or what you can do, if you have a low ticket product on your website that doesn't cost you a lot of money to manufacture it, you can give it away as a free gift on every order. Or what you can do is create a Halloween bundle that is specific for this period with the offer that will work for you in terms of profit margins. Okay, so if you call it the Halloween bundle, people know it's temporarily, and that also works really, really well. Okay, so test different offers into this timeline. And what I see most people doing wrong is that they only send out an email campaign on the 31st of October, but you need to think that everyone is going to do that. So what you want to do is that you want to create an early Halloween sale. So on the 28th of October, you want to send out your first email, an early Halloween sale for people that are on the list with one of the offers that you have created. Okay, on the 31st of October, you want to push that the Halloween sale is now live for everyone. So basically give a reminder of the offers. On the 1st of November, so 1 day later, you want to send out another email with, hey, reminder that the Halloween sale is still live and that it's going really hard, people loving it, so make sure that you use it. And on the 2nd of November, you want to send a final reminder with, hey, Halloween sale ends tonight. This is your last chance to get this deal. Okay, so literally if you're sending this for email campaigns, you will make already a lot of money. I got one extra optional campaign that you can use, and that's the 4th of November, is that basically everyone that bought during this Halloween sale, you can send out an email campaign with, hey, thank you for your order, blah, 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 and then highlight that the VIP list is open now for early access during Black Friday. Okay, and what I would recommend is subscribe to my channel, because this is the strategy that we use every single year that result in a lot of revenue. So maybe you don't know what this means, but in the next video I will explain this, so make sure that you don't miss it out. So that's the timeline, the offers, and in here what I would like to show you next is some of the campaigns that I have created in Figma. Okay, so basically what I've done is I've created all of the templates that are working really well for every stage into a template that you can copy and paste. Okay, so I've created a video how you can edit it, right? So it's basically creating or uploading your own logo, your own products, your own offer, and I have created a video on how you can export it into Klaviyo. So under 10 minutes you have your own email campaign ready. So for every stage, early sales, sale itself, the reminder, and at the end tonight, I've created different type of templates that you can use. So if you want to get access to this Halloween copy paste templates, you can get access to it for €5. Okay, so that means only only 33 cents per template. And if you get already one sale out of it, it's already worth it. So if you want to do this right, for €5, you get access to 15 copy-paste email Halloween templates that are proven to sell, right? We're using this type of templates year in, year out, and you got access to the copy input. So basically everywhere I explaining, hey, what do you need to highlight in here? The design, so which design you need to use, and also a video on how to design it and upload it into Klaviyo. So really under 10 minutes, you can have your email campaign ready. So if you buy it, you get direct access to all of the Halloween templates, or I got a second option for you if you would like to consider that, is for €27, including the Halloween campaigns, you get access to the 2024 email marketing checklist. And basically you get access to a checklist with over 182 quick wins with proven campaign strategies, and basically on how to set up all of your flows and how you can save hours with 313 plus copy-paste email templates that will skyrocket your revenue through email and SMS marketing. Okay, so what you can do is, or for €5 get access to the copy-paste email Halloween templates, or for €27, including the Halloween campaigns, you get access to the checklist that will help skyrocket your revenue and profits during this period. Okay, so both I will link it down below. Check it out, check what works for you the best. Make sure that you don't miss out on this whole strategy, and make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss out the next video. And let me know if you got any questions, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.